All right, week 13, you're watching the walkthrough. So on Monday or Tuesday here, we're going to be taking the Unit 4 notes on thermodynamics. Remember, just because of the shortened nature of the first semester here, we're hitting Unit 4 in 1 week instead of two. So we'll just kind of do an overview of all the topics here, and then you'll submit your notes here. On Wednesday, you got a couple things to do. One, the Unit 3 test will be in here for a retake if you want to do that. Otherwise, your only job is to watch this Bill Nye on heat energy and complete missing work. So Wednesday is kind of a makeup day. If you don't have any makeup work to complete, you can watch the Bill Nye video. And Thursday and Friday, we have a little topic about hydrocarbons and pollution. So hydrocarbons, these are our fossil fuels, our main source of heat and energy in the United States. So these are our non-renewable energy sources. We're going to talk about them and the burning of hydrocarbons as it relates to totally spaced it. So read the article. When you get to video, you watch videos. I'll explain how to do it in that video there. And then at the end, you're going to take a little review worksheet on thermodynamics and hydrocarbons. It'll be a summary of the notes plus the hydrocarbon stuff from that day. So make sure you use your notes and your resources as you go through it. You get 2 attempts. All right, guys, have a great week. Love you, appreciate you, and see you soon.